This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 49 of Building R2. R2-D2, the droid, the little, lovely little droid. Isn't he cute? Right, we're assembling the wheel mounting this time. All these episodes seem to be very, very short and simple. It's saving up. It's saving up your effort and your time for when things start to get bigger and complicated when we start on the body in just a couple of months' time, I believe. So, yeah. Right, studio direction in Building the Galaxy. We're coming along to Return of the Jedi. Interesting. Last time it was saying Revenge. Maybe in the words it said something. I didn't read them all, so I can't be sure. But there we go. Yep. Some behind-the-scenes shots. Quite cool. Hidden underworld. Jabba's throne room. Yeah, all good. Femi Taylor playing the Twi'lek. 4 days to shoot her part as Ula. Interesting. Bounty hunting droids. They look tiny. That's not going to be much help, is it? Cad Bane. Spoilers for Boba Fett. No, Boba Fett. Don't watch Boba Fett. It's great. Yeah, there we go. Helios 3D and C-21 High Singer. Obviously, bounty hunting droids. Farming robots in the real world. Robots that farm, drones and things, and obviously combine harvestery type mowers and planters and things. Tractors. Interesting stuff. Smart sensors. Yeah, you need some sensors to know what you're doing and stuff. That's a moisture evaporator. That's not the real world stuff. Okay. I don't know why that's in here, but it shouldn't be. Right, what we are building, what we've got is another plate, an axle and a bearing, but the axle and the bearing we're not using quite yet. We're just going to be attaching the plate, which will take, again, mere moments. So I shall get them ready, and we'll do that just now. So here we have the bearing, which might fit on there eventually, and probably fits in there as well, and that's going to fit onto the other bit, but not yet. I shall leave that to one side just in case. This is the plate. I've dug out 4 screws from a previous episode because they didn't supply any this time. They give you all of them in one go when you don't need them. I don't like it, but that's the way it goes. So I have not yet reassembled all of this because it didn't tell me to, so we've still got to be careful of that part. But this basically easily just fits on there. There's 2 pins that come out the back into the holes, and then 4 screws just up the top there to hold it in place. So we'll get those in, get that back on there, 1 screw in and down so it's not going to wobble, not going to tighten it fully, but they pretty much got to be in the right place now because the pins will be supporting it and holding it in the right place. So let me get the rest of these screws in. Going in without any trouble at all. Go, and then being careful not to damage that plastic bit that's flapping around loose there, and hold it at a better angle and tighten it all down. There we go. That one tightened down, and the last one on there. So again, another short, sharp, quick episode. The next one involves a wheel. We've got another wheel to come in, so that's probably going to be fitting these pieces on there, possibly even getting the whole thing together. I don't know yet because I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't cheated and looked ahead, but you can join me when I do that very shortly. So I shall see you for part 49. 50. This was 49, so yeah, part 50, halfway. Next time. See you soon. Bye bye for now.